Y'all already know what time it is, everyone. I see some of y'all clapping your hands right now. It's time to get funky. Clap your hands, come on. Clap your hands, come on. Shake a little bit. All right, one more time. Clap your hands, come on. One time for me, two times for me.
Sons of Mystro, Mystro, Mystro.
How we feeling, everyone? I want to introduce a couple people on stage. Number one, you already heard his name again. He's on the drums. He's wanting to know once more. Give us a beat. Travis Kittle. Make some noise! All right now. Next up, we have the one and only, the man in charge of the flavor and the mixes. He's giving y'all the scratches. He's giving y'all the smooth transitions, my ladies and gents. DJ Venomous, come on! Change the groove up, change the groove up, change the groove up, change the groove up. My ladies and gents, y'all know what time it is. It's time for all you all to get up out your seats right now. Get up out your seats, my ladies and gents. Get up out your seats right now. Get up out your seats right now. Sing it loud, say, ho, ho, ho. Make some noise. I want y'all to say one thing right now, one little thing for me. Come on, say it. Say my shows funk you up. Say my shows funk you up. Everybody say my shows funk you up. Say my shows funk you up. One more time, say my shows funk you up. Say my shows funk you up.
Everybody say my shows funk you up. I say my shows funk you up. Come on.